yes, oh yes. Off the edge, and Shami's away.
On off stump again, Markram. It's a good shot delivery. Could have left alone. Shot from the South African opener. You'll be disappointed with that.
Chopped the edge. Looking to go for the big pull shot, and he has the stumps. It's another big wicket for India. They are full of determination and fouls.
Philander decided he wasn't going to hang around. If an opportunity arose, he was going to shots, try and put the pressure back on the Indians. That's what he's looking at. A lovely back foot cover drive for a boundary of the first ball. And then looks, it was a short ball, all right. But
it's another one. Shami's back, and he's picked up a couple of wickets in the over.
Yeah, he's decided to go full. It's quick, it gets through the defence, and Shami fresh into the attack. Fantastic over.
On the wicket. It's got him. Timber is disturbed. Another one. Wow, what a collapse this is. Magnificent stuff from India. They have fired up now and really delivered.
he was waiting for the short ball. He's given them in liberal doses to the, as well as the Indian tail-enders. And what does Shami do? You can see was prepared for the bouncer, the Yorker instead, and the furniture is disturbed behind him. Shami bowling at his best.
Now they've gone up. I didn't at all in my headphones, but the Indians are confident with this one. There's the heartbeat. India have won this test match. That's going to be given out. So Ngidi has just got a fainty on that one. The Indians will play on the big screen. I think it's going to go up. There it is. There you go. India won this test match. What a riveting test match this has been. What a magnificent test series it's been. And Virat Kohli is captain. Very happy to have won this last one at the Wanderers.